है कि क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी में एनडीए में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के बाद और भी जो डबल इंजन के लोगों में दिल में ख्वाहिशें जग रही हैं उनका भी कोई भविष्य है कि नहीं है, यह है मुख्य सवाल।
अच्छा, तो आपको उनकी ज्यादा चिंता है, अपनी नहीं। गौरव भाटिया जी, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
नाविका, कैन आई रिस्पॉन्ड?
नहीं
Navika, a quick rebuttal to the fact that they're saying after the first phase polling, the PM is desperate. Rather, it's the Indie Alliance which is desperate. And you remember 2019, it was almost the same region which had gone for poll last time also in 2019. When the results came out in May 2019, we all saw what happened. The same story with better numbers for the Bharatiya Janata Party will be repeated. But I will now respond to this एनुअल प्राइम मिनिस्टर। देखिए, ऐसा है, पहली बात तो ये आने नहीं वाले, चची की मूछे होती तो चचा कहलाती, वो वाली बात है। लेकिन एज्यूमिंग हाइपोथेटिकली इफ दैट इज गोइंग टू कम ट्रू, इमेजिन राहुल गांधी फर्स्ट ईयर, अरविंद केजरीवाल सेकंड, ममता बनर्जी थर्ड, फोर्थ अखिलेश यादव, फिफ्थ शरद पवार। लेकिन फिर उद्धव ठाकरे, महबूबा मुफ्ती, स्टालिन और उमर अब्दुल्ला का क्या होता? अब ये टर्म तो 5 years का है। That means they will be fighting among themselves. Second, say if there is a war-like situation and India has to respond. We all know after the Pulwama attack, Balakot airstrike happened. Because Narendra Modi ji, being the decisive leader he is, gave a free hand to the army. What will these people do? When one will take decision, the other will say, महबूबा मुफ्ती कहेंगी नहीं, अरे तिरंगे को कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं होगा। फारूक अब्दुल्ला कहेंगे नहीं, हमें पाकिस्तान से बात करनी चाहिए। And that is why policy decisions will not be taken, and UPA was also known for policy paralysis. Third and most importantly, we need to understand that Narendra Modi ji has emerged as the tallest leader in the world and is by far the best prime minister that the country has seen. People are going to bless him, and we will get more than 370 seats, BJP alone, and 400 plus NDA. That is why there is no chance for this India alliance.
Well, Suman Siraman, फिर राहुल गांधी का क्या होगा?
Navika,
That's why.
no. Navika, just two quick minute. No, 1 minute.
प्रोफेसर साहब आ रही हूँ आपके पास।
1 minute, sir.
Yes, डॉक्टर सुमन सीरामन।
One second. Now, yeah. Navika, it's a very, very simple point. The BJP was very keen to make this a presidential contest, Mr. Modi versus Rahul Gandhi or somebody else. That has not happened. So now, after the first phase and the rather discouraging sort of feedback, they are again trying to make it a presidential contest. You have not put up any, who is going to stand? You'll have prime ministers every 6 months, every 1 year. Where is this coming from?
From the statement today made by Akhilesh Yadav, which I just played out for you, he said 1, 2, 4, 5 हो सकते हैं.
No. 1 second. There could be no. That was in response to what the Prime Minister had said. Akhilesh Yadav suo moto didn't go and say we're going to have 5 prime ministers. Let's be very clear, Navika. This attempt to make this a presidential contest has failed. It worked wonderfully for the BJP in 2019. And Mr. Modi was able to make mincemeat of Rahul Gandhi in the 2019 election. That was what the BJP was hoping for this time. That's not happened in different states. People are starting to look at the local members of parliament. One quick point, sir. One last point. The sad part is that is probably one of the reasons why we haven't heard about Modi ka guarantee in the last few days. All we've heard is Hindu Muslim.
Then obviously you're not hearing the full rally speeches, because he's talking about the guarantees as much as he's talking about political issues. Suman Siraman, पूरी speech सुनिए, आपको भी पता चलेगा. Professor Pasha, 30 seconds, and Gaurav Bhatia, you can sum up and respond to all the questions being raised. Professor Pasha.
Navika ji, it is very interesting that Prime Minister is not talking about his manifesto. He is not talking about the manifesto of Bharatiya Janata Party. He is just focusing on the issues. Those issues are imaginary. This 1 year, 1 Prime Minister, this is imaginary issue. So this election is going to be a fight between reality and the imagination.
All right,
Prime Minister
Gaurav
is
Bhatia,
trying
please
to
respond.
impose himself
Very well
as
put by
the
Professor Pasha.
Minister.
This election is
Permanent
about the
Prime
fight
Minister.
between
We believe in
imaginary
democracy.
and reality.
We believe in democracy.
Please respond.
We believe in democracy.
It is,
We'll
Navika, and I
democratically we'll
completely
decide about
agree
the
with
Prime
him.
Minister.
The reality
We do
is
not
that
want to
Shri
impose
Narendra Modi ji
ourselves
will be
as a
elected
permanent
as
Prime
the
Minister.
Prime
Modi
Minister
ji
of
is
the
trying to
country
impose
yet
a
again.
permanent Prime Minister.
On the imaginary side, we are seeing India alliance without any substance, without any leader, without any comprehensive seat sharing plan, without a common minimum program. And they come and they have been saying this for the last 9 months without any conclusive outcome. And I will only end by saying, if there is a non-working Prime Minister annually to be appointed, the first one has to be Rahul Gandhi, who doesn't like to work but has very big dreams to aspire for.
Well, we leave it to the people of India to decide who will be the Prime Minister of India. Clearly will depend on the number of seats every political party will get. And public hai, sab janti hai. And tomorrow, second phase of elections. Everybody, please go out to vote, whoever you want to vote for. But please, voting is a duty which will give you the rights over the next 5 years. Who do you want as the Prime Minister next year, the year after that, the year after that, for the next 5 years, who will lead your country, our country, India, to a goal that it strives to achieve? Please go and do your duty, cast your vote. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for watching the News Hour. Good night and be safe.